Dear learner, I am Umar Farooq Mehboob Pasha Ali, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department from Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic, Solapur. In this session, we are discussing of the subject of illumination and electrification of building. It has 22530 code under the program of Electrical Engineering with semester 5th. In last session, we start the unit 2 types of lamp. In that, we discuss about the good lighting, color sensation, after that arc lamp and incandescent lamp. We are studying in a first session part. Today we are discussing the unit 2 types of lamp. Session part 2 content is that fluorescent lamp. The fluorescent lamp, by using glow type starter, thermal type starter, we have to start the fluorescent lamp. After that, fault finding in case of fluorescent lamp, comparison between the filament lamp, that is incandescent lamp, and discharge lamp. We start this first, that is fluorescent lamp. We discuss the principle, that means the fluorescent lamp or fluorescent tube is a low pressure mercury vapor gas discharge lamp that uses fluorescent to produce visible light, and electric current in a gas excites the mercury vapor which produces the short wave ultraviolet light, and the fluorescent tube is coated with the phosphorus of the inside of lamp. Now we are discussing about the operation, and after that, with the help of, we can explain the operation of fluorescent lamp. The figure shows it contains the there is one tube fluorescent coating, and there will be the electrode, that is filament, and one is a glass seal. After that, pin for holes, leads, and some gases. It contains the argon or krypton gas to easy starting with a small quantity of mercury under the low pressure. At start, current passed through the filament which get heated up and emit the electrons which strike gases to give out the radiation which falls on a fluorescent material, thus emitted the light. The tube contain argon gas in a small amount of vapor form and mercury in a globular form, that is not in pure vapor form. Argon gas is initiated the arc. So this is a fluorescent lamp. Next, in that, the circuit diagram for the fluorescent lamp with their two categories. One is a glow type starter and second one is a thermal type starter. The figure shows the glow type starter. We are helping the circuit diagram with the resistance and capacitance to protection purpose. Resistance to avoid the welding starter contacts, and capacitor is to reduce the radio interference. The starter is made as two electrode, that is E1 and E2, out of which E1 is a fixed and E2 is the movable, and it is a bimetallic strip, and they are fitted into glass tube having helium and hydrogen at low pressure. Normally, contact E1 and E2 are open, and the supply when the supply when the supply starts at full voltage and received by glow switch, the voltage is sufficient to start a glow and discharge between the bimetallic strip E2 and E1, and the heat generated bend in E2 to make a contact with E1. Thus complete main circuit through choke and the lamp electrode A and B. So current starts flowing through A and B and heated in a incandescent, and the argon gas, which is immediately ionized by this time glowing is started, and so E1 and E2 cools, the contact will be open again. Now we are discussing about the thermal type starter. In figure shows the two metallic strips initially closed so that the current flow through the filament, heater coil. Thus the electrode A and are heated to incandescent and argon gas is ionized. The one metallic strip near to heater coil gets gets heated and bent, thus interrupting the filament current, producing the inductive voltage surge across the electrode, stabilizing the discharge through mercury vapor. The starting time is very much less than the flow type starter. Next, we are discussing the advantages. If the condenser is connected across the surplus, efficiency is about 90.5%. Its life is 3 times more than the filament lamp. It has low surface brightness. Now, disadvantages: the initial cost due to use of choke and starter is high. Available in a small voltage rating than incandescent lamp. The rating of fluorescent lamp is 20 watt, 40 watt, 65 watt and 80 watt. This is all points we are discussed about the thermal type starter. Now we are discuss about the fault finding in case fluorescent lamp. There is a various faults and we have to know about the reason and what will be the action of that reason. So first is that tube does not start. It means that there will be the some reasons such as a defective and loose holder, defective starters, defective choke or defective tube. Then you have to take action to repair, turn the tube through 90-degree, or try another starter and choke connection, replace a starter or replace a choke and replace a tube if the tube does not start. Second, sometime end of the tube remains lighted. That means there is a reason short circuited starter. You have to check a starter and replace. Next, blinking on and off. If there is a reason behind that blinking on off tube, that means your connection is wrong, loose connection, low voltage or defective. You have to take a action for that four reason to check all connection or change the blast type, it replace the starter or replace the tube. Next is blacking of the end. Actually, we are always seen in your home the fluorescent tube is blackish type is formed on the corner end of the tube. So it means that it has a reason to low or high voltage. To adjust the glasses typing is provided. After that, dark streaks along lamp. That reason behind that mercury globals. You have to rotate tube through 180-degree. Last, burn out electrode. That electrode burn due to the reason and control unit in circuit or the choke short circuited. You have to test with a new choke. Now we are discussing about the comparison between the filament lamp and that is incandescent lamp and discharge lamp, that is gas discharge lamp. We are taking a 7 parameters. We have to comparison between the filament, that is incandescent lamp, and gas discharge lamp. The first parameter is that the construction, the filament of construction is simple compared to the gas discharge lamp, but gas discharge lamp is complicated. Installation is easy and gas discharge take up much time. Maintenance, filament is less maintenance, but gas discharge requires maintenance. Starting time, filament will be started within a immediately condition, but gas discharge lamp taking a more time. Cost, obviously filament is less compared to the gas discharge, because gas discharge required maintenance, and there is a lot of costable. Efficiency, filament less efficiency, gas discharge is high, and life short and long. Thank you so much.